Hey guys, this is a very short video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can deadhead your dianthus plant. Deadheading is really important because you definitely you want your plant to keep blooming on a continuous basis, and at the same time you want to make it look much attractive, right? So how you can deadhead is you can simply remove all the spin blooms and even the spike here, and you can see that new growth here. So I am just going to cut it from here, like this one, then again this one. Now again I am going to cut this one here. As you can see here, I can see the new growth. You can see this one, right? So I am going to cut the spike right here. So again for this one too, again another here, this one here, again this one here, so this one here, now I'm just going to wait for a few days, and when all of the blooms would wilt or even they start to getting faded, I would remove the whole part, and then the plant would grow again from the bottom part and it would grow more bushier. Now keep watching, I'll be showing you the final result. After some days how the plant looks and how it bloom again. Hey guys, updating the video almost after 68 days, and you can see that my dianthus plant is blooming once again. You can also see that my plant is growing in a full bushier form, and this is what I was expecting from my plants, and this is also what I wanted to show you at the end of the video. Now you know that deadheading dianthus is really very easy, so please do it and enjoy the blooms on a continuous basis. And if you just take care of your dianthus properly, you'll be able to enjoy the blooms even in the June or July months. And I'm not going to talk too much about the dianthus in this video because, like I said earlier, I have a different video showing everything in that video. So if you want to know more about dianthus, please check out that video. By the way, this plant is also ready for deadheading, so you can just keep on doing it and just remove the spin blooms, and that way your plant would be going to produce much number of blooms. I believe it would have been also okay if I haven't shown you the updated result, but personally saying, I don't feel myself satisfied if I can't show you some updated result at the end of the video, and that's why this is the thing that I do for most of my videos. I really hope you enjoyed this short video, and if you did, please do me a favor, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and many thanks for doing that. So guys, thank you very much for taking your valuable time to watch the video. Have a great day. Enjoy.